Technology as a mode of revealing. Martin Heidegger. He is a German philosopher and a seminal thinker in the continental tradition of philosophy. He is widely acknowledged to be one of the most original and important philosophers of the 20th century. Heidegger points out technological objects are means for ends, and are built and operated by human beings. But the essence of technology is something else entirely. Technology, according to Heidegger, must be understood as a way of revealing. Revealing means to discover. Aletheia, which is usually translated as truth, though Heidegger insists that a more adequate translation would be unconcealment. Human flourishing. It involves the rational use of one's individual, human potentialities, including talents, abilities, and virtues, in the pursuit of his freely and rationally chosen values and goals. Human flourishing is also an effort to achieve self-actualization and fulfillment within the context of a larger community of individuals, each with the right to pursue his or her own such effort. Flourishing is a state where people experience positive emotion, positive psychological functioning, and positive social functioning, most of the time living within an optimal range of human function.